Right now I'm working on an axle replacement, and I need to replace these dust seals which go on the inboard shaft for the axle, the part that attaches to your front differential on an LX470 or a 100 series Land Cruiser. I'll get you the part numbers for those in the description below. But basically the problem that I was running into, I was able to get the old dust seal off just using a flathead screwdriver. But putting the new one on, according to the factory service manual, requires a special service tool, which I do not have. I'll show you the manual real quick. Right over here. To install it requires special service tool and the number, just like that. But I don't have those, and that's again to put the new dust seal right there. So what I think I'm going to try is just using a piece of 2-inch PVC pipe, which gives plenty of room just around the seal. So basically what I'm going to try, I'm going to put the new seal on, then take the old seal and either put it flush with the new one, and using the new PVC idea, I'll tap against it with that ball-peen hammer and try to get the seal on. We'll see how it goes. Put the new dust cover on. Working a little bit better than I was expecting. There's a lip right there that's preventing the PVC from contacting the actual dust cover. So now would be an apt time to use the old one. And judging by that, I'd say it's well on there. And just in case you didn't get the part number earlier, there it is again. That's all I've got for this video. If you think of a topic that you'd like me to cover, then feel free to leave a comment below, and consider subscribing if it's something you're interested in. Thanks, and take care. Something else I'll mention about the rebuild for this axle was the constant tensioner clamp that was sent in the reboot kit. The part number for that in the description actually broke when I installed it. So I wound up purchasing some clamps from McMaster Car, and I'll have a link in the description for those as well.